The moon. Let's solve the puzzle of how to put a square on the moon without using rockets, square power only. Why? Because it's fun to try. Great. I'll be test pilot.
But how do we get all the way? Sorry about that. Up there.
We call in some friends, some big square friends.
Tennis ball commencing rainbow test flight. All systems checking out. 7 by 7. Wish me luck. Whoa whoa whoa. Whoa. Yowzer. Hee hee hee. Didn't get that high, but I did just invent the square rainbow. Guess you've got to give it a go to get lucky.
Ah, there you are. This way. I've got so much to show you. I am Bobu, and I can be a strong square, a chessboard, a super rectangle, 8 octoblocks, or even a super cube. But today, I want to show you a little trick I call Winery Woosters, using the power of doubles to send any number flying. First, I split in two.
Pin.
And bell.
And log.
Punkt and arithmetics.
And color too.
And yellow one. And one more to press the big red button. Then you choose who's going up.
One of me.
And none of me.
And one of me.
And one of me.
And none of me.
And one of me. And fire. We.
BKM. Way up high.
Amazing. But not a square. Wait and see.
Where's
We're
the
two
square?
squares. Cup.
Where's the square? Here we go.
G-R-R-R-R-R-R.